We have the pickaxe. I completely forgot. I'm getting so scatterbrained. It comes with age, chat. Oh yeah, lapis. That's what we needed. Thanks, chat. We should be able to find one in this massive ass cavern that we did not explore at all whatsoever. Ooh. Ooh. About to get jumped. I'm getting jumped. Ow. Is that lapis? Yes. Ooh, diamonds. Oh my god, so many diamonds. Ow. Oh, we just found a thing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, we might be dead. My engine switched off. Where'd it go? Die. Found a thing. Ooh, I could yoink a warden. Can we make the thing? Oh, I haven't smelted it yet. No. I can come back though. I should really get Silk Touch. Yeah, we'd get a lot more out of this if we had Silk Touch. Okay, this is good to know. Skulk. Okay. I think we had some that was still smelting. Yup. Didn't have that much. Okay.